Hello there, I'm Bianca. We've all learned in school that there are 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. I call Asia my home. What about you? Do you live in Asia or another continent? Today, let's learn how to say Asia in Chinese. Asia means 亚洲. 洲 here means continent, while 亚 is part of the term used to represent the continent. 亚洲, Asia, is the largest and most populous continent on Earth, encompassing a diverse range of cultures, languages, religions, and geographical features. Throughout the years, the Asian people have increasingly realized that harmony is fostered through amity, sincerity, mutual benefit, and inclusiveness. A popular Chinese song goes, 我们亚洲树都根连根，我们亚洲云也手握手。In our Asia, the roots of trees are linked. In our Asia, even clouds drift hand in hand. The lyrics reflect the Chinese people's fundamental perception of Asia as a community with a shared future. Asia is our collective home, where neighboring countries cannot be separated. Assisting our neighbors is akin to helping ourselves, and good neighbors always wish each other well. China is prepared to better align its development with that of its neighbors, and work with them together to build an Asian community with a shared future. That's 亚洲命运共同体。亚洲地区的未来掌握在亚洲人民自己手中。Asia's future is in the hands of no one but Asians. With a rich historical legacy rooted in a time-honored civilization, Asia currently finds itself at a crucial stage of development and rejuvenation. Its emerging markets and developing economies will remain the powerhouse of world economic growth. 亚洲好，世界才能更好。When Asia fares well, the whole world benefits. 亚洲 Asia, 你学会了吗？